Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I did another Cobra 29LX today. This was sent to me by Shawn in Pennsylvania. He asked me to do a RFX 75 and a TRB-X3 Echo. Let's take a look at this tune-up report, Shawn. I got 30 watts across the bottom scale, 10, 20, 30 you're looking at. Right at 15. I got 100 watts across this bottom scale. 40, 60, 80, 100, that's good.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio.
And see if we can't hit some skip.